Hi everyone, I'm Justin, the research analyst at our company. Today I'm super excited to talk about something we've been brewing in the lab, EnerHydrate. After extensive research, we have developed EnerHydrate, an electrolyte hydration beverage blend. It not only includes carefully selected electrolytes, but also contains 3,000 milligrams of lactate to help replenish lost fluids and support muscle function.
Hello, I'm Ivan, the marketing researcher. I want to emphasize the importance of electrolytes for our bodies. Through our market research, we've found that electrolytes play a crucial role in maintaining hydration balance, supporting muscle function, and enhancing athletic performance. EnerHydrate provides high-quality electrolytes, allowing our consumers to better maintain overall health and vitality.
Hi there, Adrian here, the product development manager. I'd like to share how to maximize the effectiveness of EnerHydrate. Through careful product development, we've ensured that EnerHydrate, when combined with FitBoost's Muscle Revive, can further enhance its effects. Muscle Revive, a rapidly absorbed dipeptide, can help replenish fluids faster after intense exercise, while the lactate in EnerHydrate aids in reducing intramuscular acidity, promoting muscle recovery.
Hi everyone, I'm Jason, the sales executive. Lastly, I'd like to remind everyone of the importance of maintaining proper hydration. Through our sales efforts, we've found that it's crucial for our customers to understand the benefits of EnerHydrate and how to incorporate it into their daily routine. Remember to add 1 EnerHydrate to every 16 ounces of water to ensure you're getting adequate electrolyte replenishment daily. Stay hydrated, stay healthy,